Hey everyone, this is the last 16 spots in the main for their toolboxes for Mr. Steven Savell. 16 at 5. First gets 10, second gets 3, and third gets 3. We'll copy our list. Go live. 11:58. And paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 11:58. We got a 5. 11:58. 5 times. 16 items on the list. 2, 3. 16 items on the list. Miss Tanya on top. Miss Kim on the bottom. Randomized 4 times. Dice called for a 5. 11:59. Final time. Good luck, everyone. 10, 3, and 3. Miss Lisa Myers gets 10. Miss Anita and Mr. Chuck each get 3. 16 items, 5 times, 5 on the dice. Congrats, winners. We are done. 11:59. Thanks, everyone.